Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook profile picture. This guide will guide you through the process, step by step. So let's get started. Open the Facebook application on your smart device and check if you are logged into your profile. By opening the Facebook application on the home page, look for your profile picture, which is usually located on the left side of the screen under the name Facebook, and click on it. Then on the next page, tap on your profile picture. A small window will open with several offer options, such as See Profile Picture, which allows you to see your profile picture. Then the Choose Profile Picture option, which allows you to choose a different profile picture. And the Import from Instagram option, which allows you to import the profile picture you have on Instagram on your Facebook profile. In this case, we need the Choose Profile Picture option, which you will be clicked on. By clicking on Choose Profile Picture option, a gallery will open where you can choose the picture you want to post on your Facebook profile. By selecting the image you want to post, all you have to do is click on it. Before uploading a picture, the application will open a page where you can edit your profile picture. When you manage to get it right, all you have to do is click Save. Facebook will now update your profile picture with the new photo you selected. And that is that. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your Facebook profile picture. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.